Come test drive the 2023 Tundra. Tundra has a number of unique features useful for those using it as a work truck, including extra large door handles, a deck rail system, and an integrated tow hitch. Included as standard are vehicle stability control, traction control, electronic brake force distribution, anti-lock brakes, and tailgate assist. With a towing capacity of up to 10,000 plus pounds and a payload capacity of over 2,000 pounds, the Tundra is the perfect mix of power and efficiency. This vehicle has less than 20,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: rear step bumper, emergency braking preparation, brake assist, stability control, tire pressure monitoring system, daytime running lights, remote keyless entry, front stabilizer bar, braking assist, front wheel independent suspension. Drive away with a great deal on this vehicle. Call or stop in today.